Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. This is your first time on my channel. You're highly welcome. Okay guys, so welcome back to the channel. Welcome everybody, all my amazing subscribers, both the new ones and the returning ones. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you so much for watching my videos, for liking, for sharing, for always clicking every time to watch, for turning on your notification bell, for subscribing. I appreciate it so much. You guys will understand. Thank you so much. Please guys, don't forget, don't skip my ad, okay? Please, so that I can get some little coins from YouTube. Please guys, don't skip my ad. Thank you all so much. So today, you guys already see the title. We are going to be doing a collective haul, okay? So the collective haul is Primark, Iceland, African grocery. What else? Which shop did I went to? Okay, the meat shop. I went to the Irish meat shop. So it's a collective, and I went to the hair shop as well. So collective grocery haul for Christmas, wait, Christmas and beyond. Christmas and New Year and so on. Okay guys, so that's what this video is going to be about. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys what I bought. I have my receipts here. I'll tell you guys the prices of every item that I bought. Okay, and I'll show you guys, of course, and tell you guys the total of what I spent. Okay, so this is for a family of 6. Okay, sometimes we are 7, but the 7th person has gone. You know, sometimes you have friends over, but we are 6, so it's a large family. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I bought. This is like, as I say, it's like top up of or addition to Christmas food and beyond. After Christmas, you know, now you have to still eat. So Christmas, New Year and beyond. Okay, so everything. All right guys, let's show you guys the haul. The intro is too long now. Thank you all so much. Don't forget to smash the like button. Okay guys, so this is everything in the table here. Ignore what's on top of my freezer. I'm trying to show this basket here. Okay, so this is everything on the haul. Just want to show you guys properly. Okay, this is everything, so you guys can see. It's combination haul. So I'm going to tell you guys the prices in no particular order. I will just start from any point of the table. Okay guys, so let's dive right into it. Okay guys, so in the African shop, African food, where they say African food and Caribbean food, everything, I spent £91 15p. Yeah, that's how much I spent there. So I'm waiting for my camera to come back to itself. Okay, so I bought these plantain chips. If you know me very well, if you are new to my channel, you might not know I like plantain chips a lot. Okay, I like peanuts as well, but I haven't bought peanuts for quite a while. Sometimes I go off peanuts, okay, but I still like it. Our plantain chips, I don't go off it. I like plantain chips quite a lot. So immediately I discovered this one, I've been buying this big one instead of buying the small ones. So I bought plantain chips. Okay, it's $3.99 for one. So I got 2 of them. The price is right there. There, focus. So I got 2 of them, so you guys can see 2 plantain chips. Okay, and then over here I got some curry because I don't have curry powder. This curry powder, I'm surprised the price is pretty good. You guys won't believe the 4 of them is £1.20. So we have to divide £1.20 by 4. I can't do the math at the moment, but the 4 of them is £1.20, which I'm surprised. Before it used to be like 2 for £1.20, you know, but now it's the 4 of them for £1.20. Okay, so there's 4 of them there. And then the next thing I bought from the hair shop, so this is the African food, so this one is the hair shop. Okay, so I have a vlog that may come up before this haul. If you watch the vlog, you would have seen that I went to the hair shop to buy this. So these are petroleum gel for children. My children has been using this for quite a long time, in fact right from when they were babies, and for some weird reasons their skin, if you introduce something else, their skin goes extremely dry. So I always end up going back to this again. It's $2.99. So I got two different. This one is lavender and chamomile, something like that, and this one is infused with shea butter. They are very good actually. It's $2.99 for one, so you guys can see the price there already. Okay, so in the hair shop, that's all I bought in the hair shop, those 2. Okay, and then the African food shop, I bought the rice. This is the rice I normally buy. I've been buying this rice for years. It's what I've been eating golden basmati stellar rice. Okay, the rice is £18.99 for 10 kilo. Okay, it's £18.99 for 10 kilo. That's a kilo there. Okay, also in the African shop I got some beef meat. Okay, this is £26 beef meat. It's not a lot, but anyway, that's United Kingdom for you. So that's the beef meat. It's £26 you are seeing there. Okay, so over here we got some Indomie. You guys know that a lot of people like Indomie. Okay, so this Indomie, they both have different price. The chicken one is $9.99. The onion chicken flavor, the bottom one is $11.99. Okay, yeah, this is $11.99. This is $9.99. This one has magnets inside, according to what they say. I haven't opened it, but it says free magnets in every pack. Okay, and then over here I got some banga. Oh, for the banga, let me show you guys this. So I got this beef seasoning from the Irish meat shop. Okay, this beef seasoning here is $3.99. I got it from the Irish meat shop. Okay, so in the Irish meat shop I swear I got chicken wings. This chicken wings is £8.99. It's not that bad though, but I feel it's a little small compared to last year. I feel it's a little small, but anyway, chicken wings $8.99. I got just one. I thought it was even £5.99 until the lady said $8.99. So it's chicken wings that are in there. Okay, just that one bag I bought. Okay, and then we bought some banga palm nuts. My receipt fell down, so I was trying to pick it up. Palm nut base or palm nut soup, whatever they call it. Okay, so they are £3.49. Okay, I got 2 of them. This is the one I normally buy anyway. That's the one I normally buy. Okay, £3.49. So there's 2 of them. The 2 of them is £7.98. Okay, so in the African food shop as well, I got our Malta Guinness. I don't drink this drink every time. I mainly drink it when it's celebration time, like Christmas, New Year, birthday parties. That's when I tend to buy it. This drink, you won't really see me buying it as such, but during celebration time I like to buy it. I only just buy just one, unless I have visitors and friends coming, then I buy 2 crates. Okay, so this crate here of 24 is £15. Okay, £15 for the 24, but it's a very nice drink anyway. Okay, so that's what I bought from the African grocery haul. Now we are going to move to Primark. Okay, I told you guys I went to Primark. I think I've left my Primark receipt. That is the Primark bag over there. The rain beats it and the bag is ripped. So I went to Primark to get some Precious, my daughter, gift. I bought the rest of them already. She said she wanted the one from Primark. Okay, she said she wanted the one from Primark. So I went to Primark. Let me put it here so you guys can see it properly. Okay, my Primark receipt, as I say, is over there. I don't want to go down there to go and get it, but anyway, I got it from Primark. So this is Lilo and Stitch Disney pajama set. It's £13. Okay, it's £13. You guys can see the price there. Don't know if it's focusing. She said if I see Lilo and Stitch, I should buy £13. Yeah, so it's trouser and top. Okay, so from Primark, £13. And then I also got this because I have a plant, which you guys may have seen the video already. I didn't even realize this was stained here, but anyway, it doesn't matter. You guys may have seen the video of the plant before this haul, or maybe you see this haul first, one of those. Yeah, so I want to put the plant in this basket because I've been looking for a nice basket, but I can't find like a nice vase to put the plant into. So when I saw this, I thought this would just be perfect, even though they said it's hanging, wall hanging basket. I'm not going to hang it on the wall. I'm going to put the plant inside here, and I think it will look pretty. Yeah, I think it will look pretty. You guys already see the price, right? It's £5 from Primark. Okay, that was why I said it's collective haul. It looks very pretty in trueness. I don't know if the camera is doing it justice, but it looks really pretty for £5. I was tempted to want to get 2, but I was thinking, what am I going to do with this next one? But maybe I should just get 2 and use it for decoration, you know. put it underneath my console table. That's what I would have done. Oh, never mind. Never mind. So anyway, I was going to buy more stuff in Primark, but the rain just make me fear, and then my packing was also going. So yeah, those are the 2 items I bought from Primark. Okay, so now we're going to go into Iceland. Okay guys, I don't know if I've shown you guys my Iceland receipt. That's my Iceland receipts. Okay, so in Iceland I got these ships. You guys already know the ships in Iceland. They are still doing buy 3 for £10, Mr. Marsh. So I got these 3 ships, so you guys can see it's the big ones for £10. Okay, there's 3 there, 3 for £10. Okay, and then we also got this hot and spicy chicken strips, 3 for £10 as well. I got 3, as you guys can see, it's 3 of them. Okay, so that's also £10. And then we got mayonnaise. Okay, it's 3 for £3, not £10. 3 for £3 mayonnaise. Okay, and then I got some slushy. I got 3 slushy. One is £1.50. Okay, so the slushy one is £1.50, £4.50 for the 3. Okay guys, there's 3 of them. There's 3 of them there. Okay, and then we got chicken nuggets. Chicken nugget is £6. I got just 1 chicken nugget, the big one. Okay, so I got just 1 chicken nugget, and then I got some toilet velvet quilted. What is the price? Toilet paper, £8. So the toilet paper is £8. Okay, guys, I think that's everything in this haul. Yeah, I think that's everything in this collective haul. There's no other thing. So everything in Iceland cost me 40. Before the discount, it was £48.80. After the discount, it was £41.50. Okay, I'm trying to see if the thing can focus. Yeah, there it is. So before discount, £48.80. After discount, £41.50. And then I got £6 in my bonus card, in my Iceland bonus card. I got £6, so I used it. So at the end of the day, I paid £35. I'm not sure if it's focusing. It's always focusing on something else. Okay, you guys can see it's not focusing. At the end of the day, I paid £35.50. Okay, that's what I pay in Iceland. In the Irish meat shop, I got this for $8.99, and I got this on for $3.99. So that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 pounds, about £13 I spend in the Irish meat shop. Okay, I can't find their receipts. Oh, I told the lady not to give me a receipt, that's why. Alright guys, so that's everything in this haul. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy watching this my combined haul. Thank you all so much. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.